Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to replace a headlight bulb which is located right here on this Chevy Cruze. So the bulb on this side is the same setup. You would go right here, do everything right there, but I am going to show you how to change this bulb right here. And also there's a turn signal bulb. I'm going to show you how to change them both. Okay, so first of all, you're going to get right over here. What you're going to do is, if you want to remove the connector first, you're going to pull back on this guy right here. Pull back, this tab will come out. Push on the connector and the connector will come out just like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to turn this guy right here and the bulb comes out. Okay, so the bulb size here is H13. Okay, that's the bulb right here. So once you get a new bulb, make sure you do not touch the flare here, the glass part, because that will damage the bulb. Okay, so to put this bulb back, all you're gonna simply is you're gonna align these ears inside. So just try to pay attention the way you took off. If you was at back of it, let's say you was back of this bulb, just like that, you turned it counterclockwise. Now you need to turn it clockwise to go in. So this is something that you could do, very simple. This bulb is only probably like 12 bucks, a good bulb. There is an orange seal right there. Usually that will come with the bulb. It stayed behind. But since we're reusing the bulb just to show and tell, so what you're going to do is, first you're going to try to find where the bulb sits. So you can just pay attention to where you took it, pulled it out from, take it back to the same position. And then you're going to turn this clockwise if you was looking in back of it. So, and then you take your connector, make sure you hear that click, and you push back on this tab. Very simple, guys. 2-minute job. So what about this bulb right here? Okay, so this bulb right here is located right next to this. So it's very simple. All you do is same thing, you turn it counterclockwise and this comes out. So this is a dual flare bulb. All you do is you yank this bulb out just like so. Just grab on it. I'm with the one hand. There you go, the bulb comes out. So it's an orange bulb, and the size on this is 7.4. It's dirty. 7444 NAT, that's the number on it. But it's a weird looking bulb. But anyways, with the new bulb, what you're gonna do is a dual flare bulb. Okay, it's a dual. If you have 3 wires on this, well, I'm sorry, this is a single flare bulb, but I don't know why there's a dual flare. So somebody must have changed it. I'm gonna leave it alone just the way it is, but I will talk to the customer. It's supposed to have a single flare bulb. Not sure why there's a dual flare bulb in there. But in a single flare, you can put a dual flare, but in a dual flare, if you have 3 wires, you cannot put a single flare bulb. That will blow your fuse. So you take this back, same place, find the original spot, twist it around. It will just drop in there, right there, and then you just turn it, and it goes right back in. So the procedure is same for there, same for here. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Hopefully I saved you couple of bucks there. I do have videos on how to do the spark plug in this particular vehicle. This is a Chevy Cruze 1.4 liter, and it's a turbo. Malibu, Chevy, same thing. Okay, and also this car has a problem with the valve cover, the PCV valve, which makes a whistling sound. I do have a video on that, how to change that. Anyways, thank you. Subscribe, share, and like.